Haga kharatri wiya yong ahaja arpu aru menteri rang ba kejela habe krem kla pathai kubor ulo ong baka sorkar kantre shitam kat bala ban labi ki brio ki badan kti hakaban pha ya ki email ki beberngem ban bo bom hakikat tu ka ne teli ki jaka jong kejela Halor kani ga bidda ukoder ula shong ru ke jialang ban ka special director general of police ka kong ida shisha nong rang ban ya kren sani bha khnang ba kanum khta e ka jingshong shngan ha ka nong ba shlong ban ha ka jela hi brockway.
Well, for us as a government and as a police and home department, we take every situation seriously. So anything related to law and order, even an email that comes in, for us it's a serious matter. And so let me assure you and the citizens that we are doing everything that's possible. I can't give details to you right now, but just in the afternoon I had one review meeting with the special DG. I have been in touch on the phone regularly, even during my tour, and today I had a face-to-face meeting, and I've taken the updates. As I said, I will not be able to share all the details, but what is important is that we are working very, very seriously on this entire situation, not just from the technology point of view, but also from the point of view of law and order, and steps are being taken.